Yeah, hello, welcome to my channel, whereby I'm going to be showing you an update where you can make $6 every day. So on this update, it is not a Ponzi scheme, and then it is what you can do, and then you can be making good money from your account. I'm not a financial advisor, but this is what I do and I see it works, and that is why I'm bringing up to you. So the very first thing you are going to do is you are going to come to Play Store. So when you come to Play Store, then you are going to search for this VPN, as you can see. So you click on the second one, then you scroll up like this. You can see it has 4.4 review, which is 10 million downloads. You click on it and then you install it. Please don't skip any parts. Don't do like, oh, I know it already. So now I am installing this app on my phone. Don't do like, oh, I've been doing all these things. Follow this instruction step by step. I have done my own, but I'm doing it afresh for you guys. So don't do like you know it already, so that you will not get stuck or you are not going to make any mistake. So it's installing on my phone now. So I'm going to wait for it. It is installing, as you can see. So once you install like that, you open it. So once you open the app, immediately you go straight. It's going to show an interface for you. Just follow all these step by step. So I'm going to be doing this video batch by batch. Once we are done with this step, then we go to another step. So once you are done with this step, then I will upload another video, which is the second step. So as you can see, you cancel this notification that you are seeing here. You are going to cancel it. You are going to cancel it here. As you can see, you cancel it. Then once you cancel it like that, then you can see this. You can see connect. So when it says connect, you click on connect. So once you click on connect, so you must first select server. I'm sorry, you must first select server. Oh, sorry, you know all this app they consist of. So you just click on continue, then you select server, then you scroll up where you see United States, New York. Then you click on it. So once you click on it, you say okay. Then once you say okay, it's going to say connect. Then you are going to see some adverts. You just close up the advert, close the advert like that. Then boom, can you see I'm connected to United States, New York? Then the next thing you are going to do now is you are going to go back to your Play Store and search for Brave browser. You are going to search for Brave browser. So you just search for Brave browser. Then you click on it. Then as you can see, this is the Brave browser. This one that has 4.6 stars and then 1 million review. You click on it and then you install it. Then it's going to install. Once you install Brave browser on your phone, so now that you have installed Brave browser, then you open your Brave browser. Then once you open your Brave browser like this, it's going to open up like this, as you can see. So welcome to Brave. So just click on not now, then just say continue. Then so like this, you are going to have it like this. Then I'm going to drop the referral link that you are going to follow that link, so that you can be given your first $6. So now what you are going to do now is, this is my referral link. I'm going to put it on the description of this video. So I'm going to, then you are going to click on it like this. Then once you click on it, make sure you on your VPN before you visit this website. So now, as you can see your friend. So you just press this, then you see your friend, my email, happily place another on Dressin, join us now. So next thing that you are going to do is you are going to scroll up, and then you are going to click on register. As you can see, you are going to click on register. Then once you click on it, you click on register, just click on register like that. Then once you click on register, you are going to see this registration box like this. Now the next thing for you to do is you are going to open a new tab. Then once you open a new tab, you go to this, you search for UK, you search for United States fake address. Then you now say fake Z. You say fake Z. So this is how you're going to do it. Then you search it like this. So we're waiting for it to load up. Then you have this. You are going to click on this first one. Then you click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to open up the website for you like this. As you can see, this is a fake address of United States of America, the city, the town, the everything. Let me zoom it so that you can see it. As you can see, the state and everything. This is the name of the person. Everything is included that you are going to use for the shipping address. Follow this video step by step. Don't skip any part. If you skip it, then you are not going to get what you are doing here right now. So the next thing is you are going to come to your previous tab, and then you are going to register. So once you register, I'm registering now. So this is my email that I'm using, then my password, which I will be using, which you will not be able to see that. So then you are going to mark this box, send email about others, details and info. Then you are going to click on this, verify you are human. So let it load. Then once you have it successful, then as you can see, you have your email, and then you have your everything put in it. Then you click on continue. So when you click on continue, it's going to load up, and then boom, you are going to see that. As you can see, you are going to see registration successful. Check out your coupon here. Now the next thing for you to do is to click on, you can click that save. If your browser also bring it, click on that save, so that next time when you want to log in, you will just have the login details being inserted automatically for you. Then you are going to come to account. So this is how to create the account. The next thing you are going to do is to verify your email. You are going to come to this upper part. To verify your email. As you can see, then you click on it, verify. So once you click on it, verify, you're going to click on it, verify. Then you see send successfully. Then now I'm going to be going to my email to check for the verification email. So what am I going to do is go to my Yahoo app. If you are using Gmail, go to your Gmail and go and check for your verification email. So I'm waiting for my email to load up. So as you can see, so I want to check the email I use. So this is the email I used. So now I have it here. So as you can see, welcome to Dressin. Let me open up to it. That is for that. That is not the email you really need. Then you are going to come to verify email. You are going to receive 2 emails at a time. So as you can see, let me zoom in so that you can see. Let me read through to you. You can see we have verification to enjoy the following benefits. Then you have a credit of 100 points is given to you after you have done your verification like this, to the privilege of being the first to receive updates and sales and stuff like that. Then what next are you going to do is that you are going to click on verify email. So you are going to click on verify email. So you are going to click on it, verify your Dressin email. So now, and then as you can see, it's going to load up. Then let me just click on reload. So it's going to, as you can see, congratulations, your email verification is successful. You have earned a reward of 100 Dressin points, valid from 24 September 3rd to 12th on the 2nd of December 2024. The reward has been deposited into your account. There are no limits to the amount you can deduct with your points. So the next thing you are going to do is you are going to come to your Brave browser. If you have set Chrome as your default browser, that is how it's going to show on your own browser as well. So the next thing you are going to do is you are going to make sure it loads up like this. Then you sign in back. Then can you see, you sign in back, then you say continue. So once you say continue like that, as you can see, let me come back to my account now. I have clicked on account now. So as you can see, I have 110 points. As you can see, my email has been verified, and then that is how to first register on this website. So please don't skip any part of this video so that you can understand how to do this thing perfectly. But if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section.